This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. We are short the euro at 123.30 and 4. You can see that our RSI here has come up through a bullish area. We've been carrying through the move after a series of buy signals all the way up to these highs, and since then we've had 4 consecutive sell signals. So we're looking for a move down to about the 123.26 region at first. Our momentum, you can see, has come off, and we're starting to get a little bit of a bounce. That will probably take us up to that 123.33 area. Looking at the overall market today as far as the U.S. markets are concerned in relation to Forex, showing a little bit of euro weakness against most of the majors. The strength against the dollar is insignificant, really. We're only about 9 pips up for the day. The British pound's been the best performing so far. We've looked at the British pound Canadian dollar trade today. I have a video posted from today regarding that trade. And you can see that silver and gold versus the dollars come off a little bit. So a little bit of a mixed market with some British pound strength. You can look at the Asian markets there. We're showing a weaker market versus the yen today, but not anything overly significant, actually. Quick look at the Eurozone markets again, sort of a mixed market with the euro mostly down, but nothing too significant. The euro Canadian dollar has probably been the most significant trade there, showing 44 pips up for the day. And that was long that Canadian dollar's come off of some of its strength over the last week. And again, the British pound stronger than most of the majors today. Significant move, British pound Canadian dollar. And we're showing buy signals on a handful of trades regarding that British pound today. And we'll continue to watch that throughout the week. That's going to be our focus for the week, is the British pound. Take a quick look at this British pound yen trade. A little bit of a move up there on the 1 minute. Go right back over here. Take a look at this euro US dollar trade. We've come off just a little bit. We're up about half a pip now. Again, I'm looking for a move down to that 123.26 region. That's our main target there. You can see that a move where you have momentum leading tends to have the most strength. For a period of time, price action alone and RSI can sort of carry a trade. But if momentum isn't leading and subsequently that RSI moving with momentum, then the trade is typically going to be either held back and led by the momentum. So when we're looking at this, you can see the RSI sort of is the darker shaded area. And a good example here is you see this pop here in price is a response of price action where this momentum is reaching a low. The anticipation of a reversal, that price starts to move higher, and that gives you an indication of the potential strength. However, momentum will put pressure against that trade as long as it's beneath the RSI. You can see where we had this strength here in the largest candle of this move up on this euro dollar. When you look at that, our momentum peaked above our RSI. That's really what we want to look for on these trades. When we go back, you can see here when we made this bottom, as we began to build up some strength in this trade, as that momentum started to peak above the RSI was where you really got the market depth. And that's what we look for basically when we're trading. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Right now we're off about 2 pips.